Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 15 minutes. Pretty sure I'm going to watch NVAX out of the opening gates. Very active right now. In fact, already up over 4 million shares on the morning. And this is all pre-market trading to those of you that are maybe newer to trading. But the official market open at 9:30 a.m. Is when things will get that much crazier. So keep an eye on it. Maybe try to hop in the pre-market, but that remains to be seen, but I will keep you updated. Okay, markets are now open. Have an entry point here, or an attempted entry point at NVAX here at 855. We'll see if this thing wants to pull back here. I mean, it's in a bullish context with the gap up, but we'll see if it can get a bit of a pullback. So there's the pullback. Although not nearly as volatile as what I would like to see it. So there we go, picking up some here. We'll see if it can work its way down to 855. Looking like there might be a chance here. Okay, there we go. Got my opening allotment there at 855. So we'll see what it wants to do. Nothing big. 1,500 shares, sure, but you got to keep in mind this is a sub $10 stock. So nothing massive. So let's see if this thing wants to get the bounce. Looking like it's going to pull back a little bit more here. Try for some down at 825. Got those. Some orders up there at 845. See what it wants to do. Okay, I got those out at 845. Can it get up through 850 though is my question, and that was a former area of support. So I'm thinking that could very well be a pretty stubborn area of resistance. So there's the break. Well, the attempted break. So I'm just getting all out there for 195. This is not behaving. I was hoping for more volatility, so let's see what else is out there. All right, I am filled here. For my first entry point here on Roku, I apologize. That move happened very, very quickly. 500 shares at 135.35. We'll see what it wants to do here. So it decided to give me the $125. So I was hoping for, let me stop talking right here. 135.85, double checking. And I say double checking because I just want to make sure I have all my numbers the right. If you're a long time listener then or watcher, then you've seen me sometimes enter in wrong numbers or not have the right position size. But let's see if I can start the process over again. First entry point now at 135.85. Well, I was hoping it would move up there a little bit quicker than what it did. So I'm going to just go up to 136.25 at this point. So we'll see if it can work its way up there. But let's see, up $320, about 15 minutes in the day. I'll take it. All right, I think this thing wants to roll down over at least through 51.50. So I think I can get a nice little scalp out of it here. Let's see if it can indeed break down through 51.50. So like I said, I think this thing wants to get down through the 51.50 mark. Or maybe not. Looks like I might give it another go. Well, this is behaving a lot stronger than I thought it would, honestly. I have no problem saying that I thought it would be down below 50 by then, or by now I should say. Added 500 more at 51.79. So I have 1,000 shares at 51.68 average. So let's see what this thing wants to do here. Rolling back down here a little bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is put my stop at, all right, never mind. Let me get this move down now since it did just go in my favor. So now I'm just going to follow this down. It's a winning trade no matter what. The good thing is I have no idea how much of a winning trade this is actually going to be. And that's the position we want to be in as traders. Again, let me say that again. I don't know. It's going to be a winning trade. How big of a winning trade? I have no idea. And that is definitely the spot that we want to put ourselves in as traders. So I'm just bringing my stop loss down and all out there for $217, which puts me at, let's see, $537. So $500 a day keeps the day job away, and I've gotten that. It's now $9.56. So in less than 30 minutes, $500 profit. And I still have some time left, so maybe I can find one more trade. Let's see what else is out there. I have some other stuff on the agenda I got to get to. But like I said, not quite yet, but maybe there will be another opportunity. All right, I am going to go ahead and wrap things up. Here are the final numbers, just because I know some of you are always wondering about commissions and all that stuff. So have $537, but after commissions and fees and all that factored in, right up there at $504.91. So like I said, it was about 25 minutes in. $500 a day keeps the day job away. So I'm going to, like I said, just call it a day and move on. I'm more than happy with that. Real quick, though, before I go, first off, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Also, let me know what is your daily goal. Do you have any sort of daily goals? For me, it's not like I'm trying to get $500, but just that saying helps keeps things in perspective. Because, yeah, sometimes it's like, I only made $500. I wish I made $1,000. There's always something about that 4 digits. But, yeah, $500 a day, that comes out to a whole lot per year. And kind of that's just the slogan that I always use. But do you use any slogans or have any sort of goals or anything like that? Let me know down in the comment section below. If you are interested in trading alongside me and other traders, and I alerted all these that you saw me trade. So if you're just looking for some extra eyeballs, because yeah, I only have 2. I miss things all the time, but that's where the community helps me out too. And if you've watched my past videos, you've seen plenty of examples where I've traded alerts that other members have made because I'm just a human too. I only have 2 eyeballs. So if you're looking for some extra eyeballs, and surround yourself with other people to get, alerts and all that, then you can go to claytrader.com/team. There's 2 really choices you can go. And the way to approach it, this one right here, $99 for 3 months. The question becomes, do I believe the service can help me make more than $8.25 per week? Because that's what that breaks down to. If you believe the service can help you make more than $8.25 per week, well then, hey, there you go. You're going to get a great return on your investment. And there's the live chat room. I send out my weekly personal scans via newsletter. And there is also an app, so it's not like you have to stay chained to your computer or anything like that. You can stay in touch wherever you're at. So if you have any questions on that or anything, let me know again in the comment section. But if nothing else and you just enjoyed the video and would like for me to keep making these, the easiest way to communicate that to me, like I said, is to hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and hopefully you decide to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for hanging out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.